The Triumph Street Twin combines British style with proven engineering. It is modern, durable, and designed for everyday riding without issues. Owners love how little attention it needs in the workshop compared to many other bikes in its class. The Yamaha V Star 250 is small, simple, and nearly indestructible. With its air-cooled V-twin, it delivers smooth cruising and unbeatable reliability. Perfect for beginners and commuters, this bike rarely asks for more than basic maintenance.
The Kawasaki Vulcan S is versatile, powerful enough for highways and extremely reliable. Its parallel twin engine is proven across multiple Kawasaki models, making it a low-maintenance cruiser that riders trust for long-distance adventures. The Yamaha Bolt is a tough, minimalist cruiser with bulletproof reliability. Its V-twin engine is strong and simple, perfect for riders who want an affordable machine that just works. Ride it hard, ride it long, it still keeps going. Adventure or daily commute, the Kawasaki Versys 650 is built to handle it all. With a smooth and reliable engine, low-maintenance design and proven endurance, this bike is a favorite for riders who want worry-free travel anywhere. The Honda Rebel 500 is a bestseller for a reason. Affordable, comfortable and long-lasting, it's the kind of bike that racks up miles without breaking down. Honda's engineering makes it one of the most dependable cruisers out there. The Yamaha XSR 700 blends retro looks with modern dependability. Its parallel twin engine is light, strong, and famously reliable. Whether you use it for commuting or long rides, the XSR 700 just keeps running with very little fuss.